Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. We are doing the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial countdown. And of course, today is the final day, Valentine's Day. So the number one is here. And as you can see, I have a clean face. The only thing I have on my face is this moisturizer. And actually, I say moisturizer, but it is a facial serum. It's Honey Silk Facial Serum. It's called Hey Honey. Uh, Good morning, Honey Silk Facial Serum, all day nourishing for all skin types. This thing is amazing. It says apply daily by itself or under your day or night cream. Excellent when used under makeup. And that is what I use it for. I use it pretty much as a moisturizer. Um, I don't even have to apply primer, but I do anyways, just in these areas here when I use this. But it says when used under makeup, providing a smooth and glossy appearance to your skin. It feels wonderful. So thank you for making this product. It is amazing on my skin. Like I said, I will be using some primer and specifically in these areas here. And it will be the Smashbox Radiance. We are going to be using this before the foundation, and I guess I didn't show it to you quite well. Marcel CC Cream. I know it has an illuminating label, so it kind of makes you blind there. Complete Correction Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35. I love the fact that it's SPF 35 and that it's a bit tinted. Texture on my skin is not doing quite well today, so we're going to manage. Now we're going to go in with the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation, and I use light, medium, neutral on this one. Now that the foundation is done, we are going to go in with Prescriptives Camouflage Cream. Yes, they don't call it concealer, they call it camouflage cream. Now to set this, I'm going to use the banana setting powder. This brush here, underneath the eyes and on the eyes, and then on the rest of the face, we're going to do the big brush. Complexion brush. Foundation, concealer on the eyes and on the rest of the face is set. So now we are going to go in and do the eyebrows. And the eyeshadows, before I do anything else, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Gel Brow Liner Eyeliner in medium, light medium brown for my eyebrows. And I will be doing this off camera, so I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, eyebrows are done. And today's eyeshadow, what we will be doing is using one of my favorite. This woman here did a great job on this palette. 2 thumbs up for Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. I love Morphe products. Look at all these colors that I get to choose from. We're going to start off with a base. And what I'm going to use for the base is this right here. And this color is called Enlight. Yes, I'm looking at the back because I don't know the names. I just know I love the colors. So this color right here is called Enlight, and that's the one that I'm going to be using as a base. And of course, I'm going to use one of my favorite brushes. It's a blender from Sedona EB13. It's not completely matte, which is what I like about it, but it's not metallic or shimmery, too shimmery either. So, I mean, it looks like it's a matte, but it still has that shimmer in it, which I like. I'm gonna go with, let's see, this color right here, which is the 4th color, and it's called MFEO. I'm going to use this brush here, and this is a crease brush by Moda. I like the thickness of this one. I know it's a bigger crease brush than usual, but I love the thickness of it. And of course, we're going to start off at the end, and then we'll bring our way in. So now that we're done with the transition shade, we are going to go in with another color that's going to define that crease there. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. crease brush. I just like the fact that it is a smaller crease brush. We are going to go with this color here. And this color is Creamsicle. Just blend it in a little bit. Make sure that it's all good. We're going to go with this one here for the end. Yes, it's called Pukey. The next color we're going to go in with is the color right next to Pukey, which is Hunts. Right there. E.l.f. brush here. And same thing, we're going to blend. We're not done yet. Now we're going to go in with the color that's underneath that Hunts, and that is Jazz. Use an angled brush this time. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this color right here, and this color is called Little Lady. Nice. You see this right here? I'm gonna put that just right back here. With this fluffy brush here, you see that color right there? That's called Beam. Just a little bit. And give that eyebrow bone. Now I need to do my eyeliner. Can't believe I forgot that. Go with the angled one. Same thing. What I'm going to do is I am going to go with the pukey. Yes, with the pukey. And now with a flatter brush, I'm going to go in with the color next to it that I forgot what it's called, and then mix it in with the pukey. Hunts. We need to work on the bronzer, blush, highlighter, and the lips. And when it comes to the bronzer and the highlighter, we're going to go with a Nomad Duo. Mm. I'm going to use the Bare Minerals bronzer over this as my blush today. I'm going to use this here, and this is PBJ Smoothie Stick. Valentine's Day look, and the countdown is finished. See you next time. Woohoo! How do you like? Anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked all the series of the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial countdown. We did 7 days and it was fun. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye now.